बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajida Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn Maths Basics. In Maths Basics, we will see scientific notation series case for addition of scientific notation, manual calculation for MDCAT aspirants. My dear MDCAT aspirants, I know in your MDCAT test you will be not allowed to use calculator. That's why I will teach you how to do manual calculation. First of all, see this example. 2.3 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 3.2 into 10 raised to power 4. Now see this question and see the steps. When you will not follow the steps, you cannot do this. First of all, set the same power to right negative, to left positive. Take common, add powers. First of all, set the same power. Look at my dear MDCAT aspirants. There is plus 2 power and there is plus 4 power. They are same, yet not. They are not same. That's why we needed rough work here. It is your choice to make 2 to 4 or 4 to 2. We are making 2 to 4. The whole scientific notation we will write down in rough work. Look, 2.3 into 10 raised to power 2. And which thing we needed? Which thing we needed? We need into 10 raised to power 2. To 10 raised to power plus 2 power we needed. We need plus 4 plus 2 power now. We need to 4 steps. We need second one, the third one. We needed third one. To left, positive. Now the point will be go to left like this. Now, how many digits the point will be cross? 2 digits. 0 into 3. Point will become here. And for decoration, one more 0 will become here. Into 10 raised to power 2. 2 into 10 raised to power 2. Power 2. Now, first of all, we'll write down till here to till here. 0.023. Now, let's see the steps. Take common. Now, this into 10 raised to power 2 now, we will take common like this. Done? Now power. Plus 2 power. Sorry. Now see, it's plus 2 power. Second, add power. First of all, we write down till here. Again, 0.023 into 10 raised to power. Fifth, add power. 2 to 4 exactly. We have done adding. When you not same the power, you cannot solve it. Now this one, we will, the whole fraction will write down here. 0. Sorry. 0.023 0.02 theory into 10 raised to power 4. Then till here to till here we'll write down as it is down, plus 30.2 into 10 raised to power 4. Now this whole and this we'll write down in the rough. Now wait for a while, I'm removing it. We will do rough work. First of all, 0.023, 0.023, no, 3.2, 3.2, and recall every time point below point and number below number. Make a line and plus sign. Plus it, 3 as it is, 2 as it is, 2 as it is, point and 3. Now 3.22, 3. 3.22, 3 into 10 raised to power 4. It is our answer. Okay. No subscribe, no like, only share.